I've traveled through Thailand and Cambodia, Vietnam, now China. And I think this is the most spectacular thing I've seen so far, out of all the places. Even Angkor Wat, I don't know. I'm speechless. And this is inspiring me more than anything I've seen before.
I'm just like, I got it on my ass.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's so beautiful, and it goes on and on and on and on. So every time you find an amazing temple, behind it is an even bigger temple.
When people think of going to China, they think, I need to go to Beijing. I think this is more beautiful.
I have never seen anything like this.
So we just came up, I think, off the top of the mountain. It's stunning. It's absolutely stunning.
This is part one of a multi-part series of our adventures throughout the cities, villages, and towns that make up one of the most diverse provinces in all of China.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
We just returned from our first From Roots to Bridges trip to Yunnan, China, and we have so many thoughts to share with all of you.
So we have been traveling through Vietnam. While we were here,
we would have so many conversations with people who travel to Cambodia, Laos, do the whole Southeast Asia journey. But when we bring up China, which is right across the border, it's just not an idea that many people think about. So we said, okay, have you ever thought about going to China, and why not come with us since we're going to be there anyways?
so that is exactly what we did. We brought 3 of our friends from abroad to China. We are so excited to share that experience in this video today.
We are at the Vietnam-China border of Lao Cai.
We're excited. We're going to China. Woohoo! Well, we're not there yet, but we're trying to cross here at Lao Cai.
Yeah, really excited.
A little bit nervous, maybe. A little bit nervous. But we're gonna make it. Curious how China will be.
After all this time,
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very excited. I am exhilarated to be able to finally go to China after it's been a dream of mine since I was a little kid. And I think we're in the best company to do so. I am excited that I get to experience this journey with 2 experts. And I know I'm going to experience the best of the best when it comes to China. We are now on the other side. As you can see, it's a night and day difference from the border of Vietnam. It was a very pleasant experience. I felt that the border patrol agents were very kind, pleasant, treated us very well. They're very professional.
The border crossing was super smooth. When you enter, it's like you enter an airport, basically. From Vietnam sides to China sides, you just cross a bridge, you enter, it's clean, it's organized, super friendly staff. Yeah, so excited. We are really excited. We can't wait. China for us is really a mystery box, a black box. And now it's the first glimpse of this new country for us, so super excited.
Once you've crossed the border, just take a 4.5-hour train from Hekou to Kunming, which is Yunnan's capital city. It's a very comfortable train ride with beautiful views out the window. We are on our way to Kunming. We are about to arrive in Kunming with our friends.
Hello.
Are you guys excited about Kunming?
Yes, really excited. It's a big city, the first big city, tier 1, right? Tier 1? Tier 2 city.
Tier 2.
Tier 2 city. Okay.
Yes.
We came from tier 4, so that was already quite impressive.
What are you expecting?
A lot of people, but I was expecting that already crossing the border, and which was not really the case. So, but here I expect more chaos in the city. But we'll see. Yeah.
What are you expecting?
Good food. A lot of good food.
It puts the pressure on me, huh?
And I know being guided by you both, I'm going to see the best of the best. So.
We are at our first official destination. This is Green Lake Park. And We're just walking around enjoying the sights. This is a very local park, so it's really great to observe the local life here. Let's take a look.
Well, here we are, sat, relaxing after walking through this beautiful park. But it's been delightful, hasn't it?
It has. It has been delightful, for sure. No, the sun is going down and it's really beautiful, tranquil park. People are having a good time.
This is what's called a Chinese breakfast market.
It smells so fresh, clean. There isn't a musky, typical market smell. It's so delightful for all the senses.
Now we are going to try a Yunnan rose cake. It has a flaky, crispy crust and it's filled with sugared rose petals.
Like eating flowers. Like eating
Yeah,
roses.
it does. I would never have expected that I would like eating flowers, but this is just delicious.
So we're at a tea shop.
Well, I'm excited because I'm just about to be served a really delicately prepared green tea with such care and precision. Chinese green tea.
This
I would
tea
say-
is stronger than espresso.
对，如果你第一泡觉得好喝的话，你第三泡更好喝。
Just tried Yunnan red tea. And it is actually
pretty
so
delicious.
delicious. It has a tinge of a sweet aftertaste. And it's just very smooth.
It's got a fruity taste. But it actually is pretty strong. You just like feel like you're awake. But it's not like a shot espresso where you just like go like this. This is slow sort of awakening.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning from Kunming, the capital of Yunnan province. We're at Dian, which is a very beautiful lake right by the mountains. And what's special about this lake is the seagulls. So these are Siberian seagulls who migrated here. And it's just so nice, so beautiful. I've never seen seagulls so small and cute, actually. You know, the seagulls I've seen in California are like really big.
Yes, I did not expect to see this, and I was very confused when we arrived because this lake is so big, it looks like the ocean, and it just looks like it goes on forever. And I'm like, wait, are we at the coast? We're lucky that we've caught their migration from all the way from Russia to here right now, so we're privileged. And then we're going up the top of the mountain by cable car, and we're going to see the same view from up there.
The cable car now. It is so beautiful because every wall of the cable car is clear glass, so you can get a 360 panoramic view.
On the left, you can see all of Kunming City and the lake in Dianchi. And on the other side, you see the Western Mountains, which is home to the Dragon Gate Temple. Dragon Gate Temple, right? Which we're gonna hike up. They're gonna get rid of this in April. Like I've seen news online, March or April. So we're very lucky to catch the very last, the grandfather car.
The vintage,
The
cable
vintage
car.
cable car.
Yeah.
We are now at the very top of Xishan, and it is so beautiful up there. Up here, you can get a panoramic view of all of Kunming.
It was worth the climb. We got this beautiful music accompanying us.
So after the cable car, there was just a quite short hike of I think 10 minutes only. It was quite steep, but it was short, and the views are spectacular.
So we're making our way through Xishan, or the Western Hills, Western Mountain. We are on our way to the Dragon Gate, which is one of Kunming's most iconic cultural and spiritual landmarks. This intricately carved Taoist and Buddhist grotto complex is famous for its dramatic cliffside sculptures, sweeping views, and legendary origins.
Thank you so much for watching our Yunnan video.
I miss Yunnan already. Yunnan is definitely one of the most favorite, most unique, and most diverse provinces I have visited in China, and we have some really exciting news to share with all of you. We love Yunnan so much that we want to go again, but with all of you.
So if you are interested in coming to Yunnan with us later this summer, please sign up for a virtual info session with us to discuss the trip and be able to learn what it really means to travel with Grace and Yeonjin. We hope to see many of you there, and in the meantime, hope you take care, and we'll see you in our next video.